Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add some ambient lighting to Cupra Formentor doors. I have this ambient lighting here. I have this one. I have the one on the dash. And I want to add some on these pockets and also on the back doors, because on the back doors there is no ambient lighting. For that you're going to need an old LED like this, for example. You can cut the size that you want. In my case, I want something like this. Need some wire and some connectors for toy cars. They look like this. In the description of this video, I'm going to add the link to the video where I explain how to make this. You simply connect two wires. You have a positive and a blue, so in this case this is only going to be blue. And in that video you're going to see that I installed this type of LEDs on my 2018 Passat GT. In that case I added an LED here, and I also added some LEDs on this handle. I'm not going to add anything to the handle because I already have this one. So the installation on this Cupra Formentor 2022 is almost identical with the one that I did on 2018 Passat GT. So this pretty much is going to work for any Volkswagen vehicles, because the LED is going to be attached to this panel, but the wire is actually attached to the door. So if you ever have to remove this panel, you have to disconnect the wires. If you don't know which wire to use, depends on the vehicle, do these simple steps. First, you have to cover the sensor for night. Use some tape, black tape. Then use one of these meters. Plug it into a socket, turn on the engine. So now my car thinks that is night because I blocked the sensor. Plug my meter indicator. Now let's test the wiring. This one has a white LED, but if you touch any negative, it's going to turn blue. If you touch any positive, it's going to turn red. There's another red. See the red? That's positive. I'm going to turn off the engine. I'll try it again. I turn off the engine. Now I have to plug it into a socket that has continuous 12 volts. So let's go on the trunk now. I plug this into my extra sockets. Now I know I have power, right? Let's test the wire again. If I can reach. Yes, and this blue. This is my plus for the RGB lights, because on the RGB lights you have red, blue and green, and black is the positive. So this is my positive and this one is going to be my negative, which I'm going to connect right here. So the positive is going to be this bluish gray and the negative is going to be yellow and black. If you are going to connect this negative to the brown, then the LEDs will only going to work when you are activating the switch. So when you're opening or closing, during that time the LED will stay on. So you can add that option if you want. When you're opening and closing, you have an LED that turns on at that time. test everything. Now it's basically night. Accessories on. It is on. Let's. The window is working. It's not interfering with this. What about if I'm going to release the sensor now? Take this off. That's day, basically. Let's see. There you go. That's day. Now it should be off. There you go. It's off. To find the bit big enough for this connection. I'm gonna try to drill it all the way in the corner here, and I'm gonna try to fish the wire through here in the back. I might have to take the panel off a bit just here, but I'll drill from the bottom up like this. That way I don't see that wire. Drill like this. I already looked through here and it's fine, so I'm gonna try that. Take this wire out this way, and I'm gonna try to fish it back through there. There you go. Now back this way.